New to Propwire, you can now skip trace homeowners to find their phone numbers, email addresses, social media profiles, and more. Why would you want to do this? Well, maybe you're a real estate investor and you're looking to get in touch with motivated sellers, or cash buyers, or private lenders. Maybe you're a real estate agent who's looking to line up your next big listing. Or maybe you're a contractor, or a lender, or a property manager who's looking to find homeowners who need the service that you provide. No matter what area of real estate you specialize in, having accurate contact information for homeowners is necessary to grow your business. And now you have this information at your fingertips with Propwire. To run your first skip trace, just add funds to your Propwire wallet by clicking the wallet icon at the top of the screen and adding $10, $25, $50 or more. Then just search and use Propwire like you normally do. When you're looking at a property and you want to skip trace the homeowner, just click on the Owner tab and then click the button that says Skip Trace. The second you do that, we immediately scour dozens of social media sites and public databases, as well as private databases that are typically used by the FBI and private investigators for the most current and accurate contact information for that homeowner. If we're successful in returning that information, we'll simply deduct 10 cents from your wallet balance, which beats the pricing of nearly every other skip trace service on the market today. And if we're unsuccessful, which does happen on occasion, well, then you won't be billed. Simple as that. Now you can also run skip traces for tens, hundreds, or even thousands of properties at a time by running a search, building a list of properties you're interested in, and then clicking the button that says Skip Trace and Download. Within seconds, you'll have a spreadsheet of properties complete with contact information for as many homeowners as possible that you can call, text, or import into your favorite CRM or marketing platform. And again, you'll only be billed for successful skip traces at just 10 cents per skip trace deducted from your wallet balance. With close to an 80% success rate and the best pricing on the market, we know you'll be thrilled with our new fully integrated skip tracing service. Give it a try now and let Propwire power your real estate business to the next level.